we have finished drilling the work 3 holes for your pencil holder. The next thing we're going to demonstrate, okay, the smoothing, alright, or the shaping of the workpiece. Alright, you notice there's certain parts here you need to remove. Alright, and we're going to demonstrate using the hand file tools to remove the waste area. Right, we have over here, notice, alright, there's a postcard file. It consists of both left and right cutting edge, and we have another one that is a smoother single cut half round file, and we have a round file, okay, in case you want to file a rounded edge, and also have some smaller needle file here to assist in small details of filing. Okay, how do you file? First of all, you need to clamp your workpiece onto the edge. Ensure the edges that you have marked out, okay, is facing you. Alright, tilt it at a certain angle so that it's easier for you to file in this way. And first of all, for the initial filing, you use a cross cut, alright, because it allows you to do a much more effective filing. Alright, how do you hold the file? You have to hold it in a cross manner. Alright, hold it with both hands. Alright, one holding on the handle, the other one holding the end of the file. And you file like this. And what I'm trying to do is to file the cross manner following the curved markup line. You can see a lot of the food dust is trimmed. Right, followed by the round file. Right, so we want to adjust it. Round file. Alright, go cross manner. Alright, be careful when you file, so not to damage the edges because the wood is rather soft. Next, what you can do is to use the glass paper to do a smoothing touch of the edges. You can again use the hand file. Okay, you can use the postcard file or the file. Use the rough side of the file. Paper to sand all the edges. Make sure the edges are rounded so that you don't have any cut injuries. And it's very nice to hold on to the edge. We want just to sand only on the upper side. Then the bottom side may not be, if not safe, sand it. Hold it into half side, that's the stupid, and you apply a bit of strength, okay, and tilt it onto the edge like this, and extend it to give a rounded edge for the overall side. For all the sides, the edges should be rounded so that it prevents any cutting injury. Alright, so you can see it's very rounded. Yeah. So all the edges are rounded nicely.